La 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 la. Mic check, 1 2 1 2. Mic check, Mike. We're down at community centre today in Milton Keynes. So we're carrying out a playground clean. So it's like an Astroturf that we're working on. We use a Westermann's first to remove as much as the debris as we can. We'll go over that then with a whirl away and then steam it all off with a turbo nozzle. We've got a few areas that are quite heavily rooted. You can see the sprouts coming through. So I'm going to come back down here tomorrow and treat the whole area with Biocide, and the Biocide will then eradicate all them roots. So it's a bit of a struggle today. It's a very messy job, but Martin's sticking to it, and I know he'll do the best he can. So enjoy the video, have a good day. Thank you very much. So it's me again. As I said to you previously on the video, we have tried our utmost to clean off this children's play area at the back of a community centre. This really deep rooted growths that no matter what machine we used, it's just not getting down deep enough to remove them basically. There's a lot of sand underneath, so we're doing the best we can with it. I said about putting some Biocide down earlier on the video, so I'm here now to put a bit of that down. So the Biocide will soak in, get down as far as the root system of the growths that are popping up through the Astroturf, and it will eradicate them. It will eradicate all the root system. So I'm going to cover the whole playground in the Biocide. Just walk away, leave it, let nature take its course. Bit of rain, bit of sun, it will keep the chemical activated.